In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Photos as default gallery if you want your phone to open Google Photos instead of your current gallery app. This process is pretty simple. Keep in mind that the exact wording may vary a little depending on your Android device, but the overall path should look very similar. First, open the Settings app on your smartphone. This is where you control your phone's system preferences, including which apps are used by default for certain actions. If you don't immediately see settings on your home screen, you can usually find it in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, tap on Apps. This section contains all the app-related options on your device, including permissions, installed apps, and default app behavior. After that, go to Manage Apps. Here you'll see the list of apps installed on your phone. This area is useful whenever you want to adjust how specific apps behave or how your phone chooses between similar apps. Next, look toward the top of the Manage Apps screen and find the three-dot menu. Tap on it, then choose Other Settings. On some devices, this menu gives you access to additional app controls that aren't shown directly on the main screen, so don't worry if it feels slightly hidden. From there, select Default Apps. This is the key section for changing which apps your phone automatically uses for things like messaging, browsing, calling, or in this case, viewing photos. Inside Default Apps, tap on Gallery. This option controls which app your phone treats as the main gallery app. If you've ever noticed that images open in the wrong app, this is the setting that usually fixes it. Now choose Google Photos as your default gallery. Once you select it, your phone should start using Google Photos whenever a gallery app is needed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default gallery app to Google Photos. As a quick tip, if you don't see Google Photos listed, make sure the app is already installed and updated on your device. Also, some phones use slightly different menu names, so if one label looks different, just follow the same general path through app settings and default apps. After making the change, it's a good idea to open an image or video once to confirm that Google Photos now launches by default. If it does, then everything is set up correctly. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to set Google Photos as default gallery.